Good morning. It is 8 in the morning right now, and I have a makeup trial for a wedding for my friend. Actually, she went to cosmetology school with me, and I'm so excited to see Chrissy. I haven't seen her since. I'm a little scared because it's an hour and 15 minutes away, and y'all know that I always plug it into my Google Maps, and it says it's an hour and 44 minutes. That's how bad traffic is. I still need to get gas. I did my hair, like I curled it. I'd rather have like my hair done than my face. Oh, it's so cold outside too, guys. Like, no quería levantarme. Well, that's gonna be really annoying. I put a ear cuff on my ear right here, and it just fell off while I put my hair back. So that's a no for me. I've been using this serum from Bridal. It's like a water gel. It's for hydration, so I'm gonna press that into my skin. It's very lightweight, so put that before my cream. Okay, the traffic is slowly going down on the app. Okay, so I forgot to charge my batteries last night, so I think this is the only one with full battery. I don't know. I'm gonna turn it off and I'll talk to you guys when I'm out of the house. No quiero que se me acabe la batería. Okay, guys. So I just finished and I'm going to show you my perfume of the day. I'm gonna wear my Goddess perfume. And a little bit of this Milk Commodity, just like one squirt. I've been liking to mix my perfumes right now. Okay. Traffic is seeming to lower a little bit, just a little bit. We don't start till 10, but she said that she'd be there earlier, so that's why I'm like freaking out because I wanted to be there at the same time as her. Oh, this is quickly my fit of the day. So it's cold, but I really want to wear this mesh lace top. It's from Amazon. It's a dupe of the Free People one. This is like an old top from TJ Maxx, I think, or Target. My Uggs and some Abercrombie jeans. And I'm bringing my purse that's a little bit bigger because I have palettes in there. I need to bring my camera. I was looking for it. It's right here. You guys are right in front of me. I bring a claw clip. And I'm gonna bring my water, and I'm gonna bring my notepad, like my planner. Hi, Mami. Buenos días. Okay, guys, ya estoy en el carro y mi mamá no me dejó ir sin salir con un burrito de breakfast y papitas. Pero esta vez traje palomitas of Skinny Pop and an apple. I'm a little late, but I know she will be super understanding. Hopefully I'm not too late, but let's get out of here. Bye. Hey guys, so here I am otra vez haciéndoles un voiceover because I flipped my external mic, and I think when I do that, the position of the cable messes up to my camera and it sounds super staticky. I haven't really figured that out yet, but I'm trying to be positive about it and not get rid of the footage, and I'd rather have you guys listen to my voice than static. So here I am, and I'm coming into the car. I'm just telling you guys that everything turned out super beautiful and that Chrissy loved the makeup. And I'm telling you guys about how I freaked out when I opened up my kit and saw that one of the eyeshadows in the Major Dimensions palette from Patrick Ta was shattered and it was all over my kit, but I tried not to freak out. Oh, and I also want to preface that I do not travel for makeup trials, guys, because I didn't really put into account how much money I'm losing here. This was before I changed my prices and different policies, and I added new fees. It's a whole new setup for my business because we gotta be smart, especially if you're wanting to solely live off of makeup artistry. We have to start thinking about those type of things. But I had to keep my word with my friend just because she did hire me before I started implementing all these new fees and rules. I was even debating about vlogging this trial today just because I knew some people were gonna comment like, hey, this is not how you should do a trial because you're losing money. But I just didn't know, and I wanted to be super transparent with you guys, and this is what my channel is all about. I want to show you how I learn, how I grow my business, my life, etc. So I hope that you guys appreciate the fact that I'm being very transparent with you and telling you that I don't know it all to this industry, even though I've been in it for a long time. And I also saw a really cute dog with her owner. Alright guys, so I got comfy and I'm running some laundry, I'm doing some really boring chores, and I got hungry. So I'm making sopa de fideo. Almost ready. I think I'm gonna make tostadas like on the side because I want something crunchy. But we just need to get all these dirty dishes out of the way because they annoy me if I see them just eyeing me from the corner of my eye. Hey guys, so it's been a couple hours later and I took a nap, I showered, and now I'm going to do a mask. I got these two from Verse and they're both for texture and for brightening the skin, but one looks like more drying, honestly. Like it's you have to leave it on for 15 minutes, like it's turmeric and clay, while this one is the instant resurfacing mask with AHA BHA complex pineapple enzymes. I think it has similar ingredients to like my exfoliating toner, the Glow Tonic by Ren. So I'm gonna try this one out. I think I just put it on my face. Yeah, it looks like gelatin. Like, I don't know if you can see the texture of that. It would look a lot more appealing if you put it on with a brush, but my hands are clean. I just got out of the shower. And it says to leave it on for like 2 to 3 minutes. It doesn't really have like a strong scent. So while I'm letting this sit into my skin, I wanted to talk about the website that I announced I was trying to make on my Instagram story. I want to do a whole sit down video on that and how I kind of went about it, even though I really am not that educated on how I went about it. Like, I just kind of did trial and error, guys, so I'm not like the best at tech things, so it's gonna be hard for me to explain, but I'll show you either way, and like what I learned along the way, so that if you are in the starting stages of doing all of this stuff, then you kind of have help on that, because I wish I had seen a video with certain things that I wish I knew. I did a lot of research on different girls' websites because that's how you get inspo and ideas for what you should be charging. Not like the service cost in itself, but like fees. You should add fees. For example, Venmo always takes a transfer fee out and you don't get all of your money. So that 2%, it's just gone. And it adds up. Okay, I just did my finalizing of my taxes to have everything ready for when I do go with my accountant, and I saw how much I made and what I lost, and honestly I was a little sad. So I'm finally going to cut off credit cards that I was using on Square. I had that application just because I wanted to test it out. I had another hairstylist friend that had that, but it just didn't work out for me. Okay, I'm just trying to be smart with my business. I was just checking out other artists around the country who don't even allow PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App, like those type of apps, only Zelle or Cash. Take that in consideration, you know, you would understand if you have your own business. So sorry clients, if you only have that, you're gonna have to find a way if you really do want that artist. I'm just trying to see it that way because I feel bad saying no to people. Pero that will go into a whole different video on that topic of how I went about that and what I decided to add and implicate into my own business this year. So far the mask doesn't feel like burning. It feels a little tingly right now. It's bearable. It's not like ah. Oh my god. This is why I do everything in the shower. I just made the biggest mess of my life. Oh my god. Okay, so my hair just fell out of my turban. But my skin looks good. Yeah, it took off some of the dry patches that I had. I'll keep testing it out and like letting you guys know how I feel about it. So it's the next day and I'm finally cleaning my kits, or at least I'm gonna try to clean up the mess that I made. Just kind of broke and went on everything in my kit. Yeah, it's a crime scene. It's definitely not salvageable, pero at least it was one of the darker shades and not like one of these shades that I use a lot, so that's not bad. So this one didn't break. I don't know when my palette broke, so maybe when I was on my way to Mexico, I mean on my way back, and I just never saw it and opened it till now.
No, bueno, no he revisado. Creo que sí. Where is the box? The box.